How does preparing something with incredible flavor and minimal effort in your very own kitchen sound to you? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with mixed berry bread pudding. So let's get started. First up, let's prepare the bread. And now the mixed berries. Let's prepare the custard. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 60 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Bread pudding originated in the 11th century England as a way to use stale bread. By the 13th century, the recipe evolved with the addition of eggs, milk, and butter, creating a custard-like texture. Bread pudding traveled with the English settlers across the Atlantic to the American colonies, where it became a very popular dessert. Modern versions may include sugar, spices, fresh or dried fruits, or nuts. That looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion onto a plate. Top with the leftover mixed berry juice. And of course, a dollop of whipped cream. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this mixed berry bread pudding is a crowd-pleasing comfort food dessert that works beautifully with holiday desserts, potluck recipes, and after-dinner treats. You and everyone at your table will absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a dessert you can be proud to make and serve. Stay with us, watch the next videos.